Okay, let's get a little context here. Clear water, beautiful sky, and a Sasquatch on a wake surfing board. This past weekend, Winston and I took a little trip to the High School Drone Racing Nationals in Minnesota on behalf of our favorite sponsor, Airviews. While we were in town, the Burger Boys surf team and Blazeair Productions invited us to spend a day on the lake filming, boating, and relaxing. My goal, however, was to once and for all master wake surfing.
So I have never seen it before, but there's something called swivel skiing, and we just filmed Alexa's score out on the lake. It's a terrible day for filming. It's super windy. We're just like run and gun trying to get it done, but like what I saw already was super cool. So I'm so excited to potentially find like the best spot possible, right? We had like a river and sunset and a calm day where we could like take a cine whoop and just like go underneath like the crazy cool poses that she's making. It's awesome, but we're getting hot, so let's get in the water. Hey guys, if you're watching this video on the day it comes out, it's actually my birthday, June 16th, and the way you can help me celebrate is to go and get a pre-order in for the Stay Flying hoodie and shirt or shirt. We're going to be placing the order for them on June 20th, so you have like 4 days to get that in. And I'm going to throw this little baby hexacopter into one of the pre-orders. If you've already ordered, you're already in. If you do place an order, you're already entered. Let's get it.
Fun times.
You.
Let's meet him, Jacob.
Surfing. I'm really bad at it. The goal for me today is I want to throw the rope back for 45 seconds. Maybe that's aggressive. 30 seconds. Can I do it? What do you think? I think I got it? All right.
Pretty good. I think he's got it.
I need to learn to breathe while I'm up, because I get up and I'm like so focused that I'm not breathing, and then by the time I fall in, I'm like drowning. But yeah, I think what I got, like 10 seconds without the rope.
Just about.
I'm rounding up. But I got to figure out how to keep that balance between like falling too back in the wake to where I go too slow. And then like 2 or 3 times I came up and I was like about to hit the boat and kind of just bailed out to the side. And then I went so far out that I didn't get back into the wake, and then it's just kind of this cycling thing. So I got to dial in the PIDs and stay in the wake. So I'm gonna take a few minutes break, and someone else is gonna get a crack at it.
Flying for wake surfing is always way harder than I think it's going to be. There's so many little splashes and splooshes from the boat, from the wake skater, from everything that's going on. And in this particular day, it was so windy that I could literally just fly backwards while being totally level with the drone, which means that in this circumstance, I crashed into the boat because I got pushed so far back that I hit the boat. But like if you watch the wake, you can see all the little splishes and splashes coming out. You can see that the wake shapes differently in different places, and you got to find these like pockets to kind of dive the drone into to get the cool shot, but it's so sketchy, and then inevitably you go in the water. So yeah, good times.
It's really cool that we can pull up to this whole dock system, and it's here for the restaurant. Like you literally just park, there's staff to like help you top the boat, and then you just go in the restaurant, get your food, come back out, and it's done. Like it's so cool to just see like how culture and process adapts to like what the options are, and I don't know, stuff like that was really cool to me for some reason.
What is AirViews?
Oh yeah, I'm glad you asked, because we have this question all the time. AirViews is the largest drone sharing platform in the whole world. You get videos from all over the world.
All in all, I'm not sure that I actually achieved my goal of hitting that 45-second mark of surfing without the rope, but I'm not sure that it mattered. We got to see the lakes culture of Minnesota, film some incredible people doing what they do best, and had an afternoon of smiles and sunburns. Thanks again to the Burger Boys and Blazeair for the afternoon out on the lake, and I can't wait to get out again and hit that full 60 seconds.
So that's the end of our day out on the lake with the Burger Boys. Thanks to Blazeair and Airviews for hooking it up. All the links to Instagram in the description below, plus probably a couple extras that I don't know off the top of my head right now. But we had an awesome day. I think we nailed that 45-second run of me not totally messing it up on the wake surfing. Super stoked about that. And but yeah, be sure to like and subscribe, all of that annoying YouTube stuff, and check out the link to store.nerc.tv for some merch. See you guys soon. Stay flying. Almost forgot.